Hey everyone, welcome back to One Strange Adventure and welcome to the next video. Today we are on our way to the truck wash because we are going to give you that full walkthrough that we promised.
And Fancy is a dirty girl, so.
She is right now. So again, we have a 2020 Ram 3500 limited dually long bed, and we are going to show you the outside and inside of this thing and play around with all the features and show you all the cool stuff that it comes with. So let's go wash the truck.
This is our cleaning tub that we keep in the RV, and it has anything and everything we need to take care of the truck and the rig. We got a collapsible bucket to hold water and chemical in, as well as all the chemical that you need and towels and all those good things. For the collapsible bucket that we got, it's actually a 5-gallon capacity. I know it doesn't look that big, but it is. And because it's collapsible, it just goes right into this tub. We don't have to worry about taking up space in the bay. It is very sturdy. The only downside I have found to it is that if it's not all the way full, the top starts to fold in, which isn't a big deal. But just be mindful of that when you're going to use a brush in it. It's perfect for the hand towels that we like to use though. We are going to be using a scrubby washcloth that has grooves in it to get away all the bugs, because you know bugs in trucks are they come hand in hand. And then we have a little microfiber hand scrubber as well as a tire brush. And when you see the video, you're going to realize that our tires are covered in red clays because we live on a red clay dirt road. So Super Clean was nice enough to send us some chemical that we're going to try, and it's actually a tire cleaner, wheel cleaner. We're going to try that out and see how it goes and see if it works on the red clay. And then to wash the truck, we like to use the Turtle Wax Max Power car wash, and you can mix it to as strong as you like, and it has little measurements on the side to go along with how many gallons of water you're putting in your bucket.
All right, well, I think the truck is about as clean as it's going to get.
Yes, we did a lot of scrubbing.
Oh yeah. So let's start on the outside and give you guys a walk around. All right guys, so on the 2020 model, on this one, we do have the upgraded LED headlights, and they actually turn as you turn too. It's really cool. So it'll light up the side as you go to turn. The mirrors actually tilt up for the towing, just like most Rams. But these actually have another feature on them. There's a LED light on the inside of it that I'll show you in just a minute. You can actually turn these out and use them as spotlights to the side of the truck, or you can use them when you're in reverse and use it as a spotlight behind you. It's really nice when you're going to a campsite at nighttime. This one you may have seen in a previous video. It does have the automatic step rails that come out that deploy as you open the door. It does have the handles that lock. You can lock it from the outside. You can also unlock it from the outside without using your key, so true keyless entry. Fuel tank actually has a 35-gallon capacity. It's not huge. We've talked about getting a larger fuel tank, or maybe even a toolbox combo fuel tank. Just something that we can go a little bit further with, but this will do for now. You can see it is a dually, as we stated, and we have added the WeatherTech mud flaps on it. One of my favorite features on the truck is actually the remote tailgate. Makes it really nice, especially when backing up to the camper. I don't have to get out to open the tailgate anymore, which is really cool. There's actually a button inside as well. All of the hookups for the RV and a normal trailer is right here. Also, what you'll see is that this truck has the puck system, which means you can drop a fifth wheel directly into the bed as long as it has the puck rails or a gooseneck right in the center. Okay, so a little bit about the truck itself. This one actually has the HO Cummins motor, which means it has the 1,000 pound-foot of torque, which is pretty nice. It has a 410 rear axle and the AISIN 6-speed transmission. So this thing is set up to tow payload-wise about 5,600 pounds and a max towing capacity of about 34,000 pounds. It will basically tow anything that we put behind it.
Hi guys, welcome to the inside of the Ram. In here we have this nice huge display, which I'll turn on for you in just a moment. The truck also has the forward collision assist, where it will start braking for you when it feels that you're going to hit something. It also has the lane departure, where it will tug the wheel a little bit, just little sensitive tugs to let you know that you're going out of the lane, which is really nice. And of course it also has the adaptive cruise control, which is really nice when you're pulling that trailer, because you can set the distance far away in front of you, so if a car goes to cut you off, it automatically starts slowing you down. Those are some of my favorite features, on top of the heated and vented seats, because I like the heat, Harold likes the cold, so we'll set the temperatures the way we want it, and then he'll turn on the air and I'll turn on the heat and be perfect. This is the limited Laramie edition, so it also has the heated back seats for the kiddos, and they have plenty of foot space back there. And then the center console has a couple of cup holders here. Door jambs have cup holders. There's also cup holders through the center. Now this one also has the sunroof, which it's a manual open for the vent, but it has the controls here for venting or tilting. It also has electric rear window opening for the centerpiece to open down there. And then this is where the tailgate opens from the inside that Harold was telling you about earlier. Plenty of lights all throughout, plenty of the radio speakers are all around, surround sound, nice bass. There's a subwoofer under the seat. Sure, Harold will show you that in a little bit.
Big display.
It's a big display, but it gives you tons of options, which you can customize what you would like to have going on. The heated steering wheel, travel link for Sirius, XM radio. This is the driver heat and vented seats. All your different little options. You can filter through them. It also has the Uconnect for the phones, so we can plug our phones up and have our favorite people to call already there for you, or you can actually use it for like Apple CarPlay and have our Apple Map show up as well.
So to the left you'll actually see the minus and the plus, and that's where you set your trailer brake. The little levers below that is where you would actually squeeze it if you need to. If you have a sliding hitch, that's where you can actually engage that, or if you want to do a tug test. To the right you'll see there's a couple icons there. That is the exhaust brake. You have full exhaust and you have auto exhaust. Auto will apply when you hit your brakes. You have your tow haul mode, and then you have your parking sensors. Underneath the buttons there is a pad there. That's actually for wireless charging, so any phone that has the capability of charging wirelessly, you can set it right there and it will be charging as you go down the road.
This also has 2 auxiliary USB connections, as well as USB-C 12-volt plug that we plug our computers up when we're going down the road working remotely. So that's down there also, and then it has a little cubby. And then this slides forward. This slides forward and back for us to keep little things down here. And if you need to, it has a little backer up there so that you can stop things from sliding all the way forward. This is where we keep our emergency kit and our backup camera for the camper when it's not in use.
Now, something extra that this has is the little lockers in the back under the floor mats on both sides.
So this side also lifts up. A couple things that are pretty cool back here is that it does have lights on the back side of the seat, so it's easier to see at nighttime. This side also will have a little cubby. We just keep paper towels in there so we can dry off the dog's feet when we're traveling. When we go shopping, it's really nice to have these. They fold up, and then this whole piece makes a platform so that I can put groceries, and it does that on both sides so that this whole side will become a big platform. This truck also came with a winter grill cover, so that's what's in this plastic under here because I haven't found a good spot for it yet. So it just sits down here underneath the seat so that it's out of the way.
Okay, quick plug. Super Clean did pretty good. Got a lot of the mud off the tires. They could probably be cleaned again, but I would say that probably would be the case with any cleaner because our tires were pretty muddy. But it did really well. The wheels did really well. Nice and shiny again.
There are a ton of other features that come in the control panel, and when you have a truck, they all are different. So just look at the owner's manual and figure out what your edition has, because like I said, you can customize them every way, shape, and form.
Yeah, we built a lot of these, and I will say the trucks, they go fast.
Yes,
so,
they do.
But this truck is amazing. It is definitely, it's going to be our forever truck for as long as we can keep it. And we're excited to be hitting the road very soon, as you guys have been watching. If you're new to the channel, though, we are selling our house and hitting the road full time.
Yes.
And this truck is just one of those pieces that we needed to solve for.
First piece of the puzzle.
Yeah, one of the pieces of the puzzle to solve for, to hit the road and hit the big hills of the West.
Yes.
So.
Now, this beautiful piece of property that we're on today is a friend of ours, April and Brian. Thank you so much for letting us use your driveway, because I love the green trees. They have tons of evergreens on it.
Yep.
So they said it was okay for us to film out here. So big thank you to you guys.
Yeah, we really appreciate it.
Yep.
I hope you've enjoyed this video. We do want to say thank you also to Super Clean, who sent us the wheel cleaner. They sent us a couple of other things that we'll be trying out. Some degreasers and things like that we will share with you our honest opinion. It did really well. It didn't damage the wheels. It worked pretty well for our truck. So thank you, Super Clean, for sending us those products. Cleaned the wheels pretty well.
The red clay is off, so it did good.
All right, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you smash that like button. If you really liked the video and you're not already subscribed, go ahead and do so.
And ring the bell so you get notified when we release our next video.
And until the next strange adventure,
keep making your own.